In this video, I'm going to show you how to place orders on MotiveWave. Now to do this, you want to first go to the top left and click on View, and then from here enable this trade panel. So just click on it or press Alt plus T, and it's going to show you the trade panel over here on the right of your screen. Then click on the Order tab, so switch from position to order, and then from here, first you have to select if you want to buy or sell, and then when you do this, you can select your quantity over here, and then the type of order, so we have a bunch of different ones. I'm going to select market right now, but if you pick any specific ones like limit or stop or something else, it's going to require you to put in the stop price, the limit price, or whatever, okay? Whenever you do this, you can also set a limit, stop, or trail over here, so completely up to you if you want to, and then you can simply select the account you want to trade or place the order with, and then click on the submit button, and that's really all you have to do. It's going to place your order. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.